Hey guys, welcome to Doctor's Tutorial. Today we are going to talk about my work personal digital planner money.com tutorial for beginners. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just simply search monday.com onto your local browser, do a quick sign up or login until you'll get redirected onto the dashboard. So to begin, locate the My Work section here within the left navigation of your monday.com account. So you'll just need to click onto that since this is where you'll find all the tasks assigned to you across your various boards. Keep in mind that for this feature to work, you need to have a people column and be assigned to a specific task. So these tasks are actually grouped into 5 sections based on their due date. You could also see which board state task belongs to, the group that it's in, and the current status. So if you're dealing with sub-items, they'll appear like other tasks, but the board name will indicate their sub-items, and you can access a parent item by clicking on the icon. Now, the great thing about this My Work section in here is that you can manage all your tasks without having to switch between boards. So as you can see, we could go ahead and open this specific task in here. So any changes you make are automatically reflected on the respective boards. So this is a real-time saver, especially if you're handling multiple projects. Also, My Work can get busy, especially for part of several boards and projects. So to streamline your view in here, you can use the search tool here onto the upper part to quickly find what you're looking for. So you could also choose to hide tasks that are marked as done, and you could also click the customize in here for your view by selecting which boards to display and which status and date columns to follow from each board. So here are some pro tips as well to enhance your My Work experience. Each task has its own individual menu for quick access. From there, you could go ahead and mark the status as done, hide the board it belongs to into the work section, and show different status or date columns. So you could archive or delete a specific task in here. And finally, don't forget as well that this My Work option on the monday.com is available onto the mobile app. So you could go ahead and access this all from your mobile device. And there you have it. That is how you use the My Work and monday.com, a powerful tool to help you manage tasks assigned to you across your project. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.